too early to know for sure whether the new ZDX will be classified as a compact or mid-size crossover. Perhaps the Cadillac Lyriq, with which Acura's new EV shares a platform, is a good starting point. For reference, the Lyriq measures 196.7 inches in length, 86.9 inches in width, and 63.9 inches in height. Interior. The Acura ZDX interior design has not been shared at all. If it adopts the design scene, the precision EV concept, this will be completely different look for Acura. The Precision features a two-grip yoke steering wheel and a cockpit that is said to be inspired by a Formula One race car, with an especially low-slung driving position. Engine. We have not been privy to any technical spec, but the both rear and all-wheel drive variant are expected, with the latter adding a second electric motor. Looking at the Lyriq, it makes 340 horsepower in RWD form and 500 HP with AWD. This power AWD version could be baked as the ZDX Type S. 2024 Acura ZDX release date and price, without specifying exactly when it will be coming out. The automaker only confirmed that the Acura ZDX release date will sometime in 2024. We estimate that the new Acura ZDX SUV will cost around $55,000 in base form and as much as $70,000 for the sportier Type S version.